Beginner means machine learning entry level. AI learning path. Introduction. Machine learning, ML, is one of the most important branches of artificial intelligence. AI. It allows computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. For beginners, machine learning may seem complex because it combines multiple areas such as programming, mathematics, statistics, data analysis. However, with a clear learning path, anyone can progress from AI beginner to entry-level machine learning practitioner. This guide explains the key steps beginners should follow to start learning machine learning. Step 1. Learn basic programming. Before studying machine learning, beginners should learn programming fundamentals. Python is the most widely used language in AI. Important programming concepts include variables, loops, functions, lists and dictionaries, basic algorithms. Example Python code. Numbers equals 10, 20, 30. Average equals sum. Numbers. Len. Numbers. Print. Average. Programming helps build the foundation needed to work with data and machine learning libraries. Step 2. Understand data fundamentals. Machine learning models learn from data. Important data concepts include datasets, structured versus unstructured data, data collection, data cleaning, data preprocessing. Example concept. Raw data means cleaning means structured dataset means machine learning model. Understanding how to prepare data is critical because good data leads to better models. Step 3. Learn basic mathematics. Machine learning relies on several mathematical concepts. Key areas include linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus, basic understanding. Example concept. Input data means mathematical model means prediction. Mathematics helps explain how algorithms learn patterns from data. Step 4. Learn data analysis tools. Before building models, developers must learn how to analyze and explore data. Popular Python tools include NumPy, numerical computing, Pandas, data manipulation, Matplotlib, data visualization, Seaborn, statistical visualization. Example concept. Dataset means visualization means pattern discovery. Exploring data helps identify patterns before training models. Step 5. Learn machine learning basics. After understanding programming and data analysis, beginners can start learning machine learning algorithms. Common beginner algorithms include linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, k-nearest neighbors, naive Bayes. Example concept. Dataset means machine learning algorithm means predictions. These algorithms are the entry point into machine learning. Step 6. Understand model training. Machine learning models must be trained using datasets. Important concepts include training data, testing data, validation data, model evaluation. Example concept. Training dataset means model training means prediction model. Training helps the model learn patterns in the data. Step 7. Evaluate model performance. After training, models must be evaluated to ensure accuracy. Common evaluation metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix. Example concept. Trained model means evaluation metrics means performance analysis. Evaluation ensures the model performs well on new unseen data. Step 8. Use machine learning libraries. Instead of implementing algorithms from scratch, developers often use machine learning libraries. Popular libraries include scikit-learn, beginner-friendly ML library, TensorFlow, deep learning framework, PyTorch, advanced AI research framework. Example Python code. From sklearn. Linear_model import linear regression. These libraries simplify the process of building machine learning models. Example machine learning workflow. A typical beginner machine learning workflow looks like this. Problem definition. Down pointing arrow. Data collection. Down pointing arrow. Data cleaning. Down pointing arrow. Data visualization. Down pointing arrow. Model training. Down pointing arrow. Model evaluation. This workflow is followed in most real-world machine learning projects. Beginner machine learning projects. To gain practical experience, beginners should build simple projects. Examples include house price prediction, spam email detection, movie recommendation system, handwritten digit recognition, customer churn prediction. Projects help reinforce theoretical knowledge. Skills required for entry-level machine learning. A beginner entering machine learning should understand checkmark Python programming, checkmark data handling with pandas, checkmark data visualization, checkmark basic statistics and probability, checkmark machine learning algorithms, checkmark model evaluation techniques. These skills prepare learners for entry-level AI and machine learning roles. Real-world applications of machine learning. Machine learning powers many modern technologies. Examples include recommendation systems. Streaming platforms recommend movies based on user behavior. Fraud detection. Banks detect suspicious transactions using machine learning. Image recognition. AI models recognize objects in photos and videos. Voice assistants. Speech recognition models power voice assistants. Concepts learned from beginner means machine learning entry level. Understanding this learning path helps beginners learn. Checkmark how to start studying machine learning. Checkmark which skills are required for AI development. Checkmark how machine learning models are built and evaluated. Following this roadmap allows learners to gradually transition from AI beginner to machine learning practitioner. Simple definition. Machine learning. Entry level. The stage where learners understand the basic algorithms, tools, and workflows used to build AI systems that learn patterns from data. Final summary. Machine learning is a core part of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn patterns from data. To reach entry-level machine learning skills, beginners must first learn programming, data handling, mathematics, and data analysis tools. After building this foundation, learners can study machine learning algorithms, model training techniques, and evaluation methods. With practice through projects and real datasets, beginners can develop the skills needed to start working with machine learning and AI systems.